Welcome. If you want to change lock method in your Realme X50 Pro, for the first you have to go for the settings. Right now just scroll down and tap on the fingerprint, face and the password. Right now we have to click on the set lock screen password. Read the description and in a few moments you are going to click on the continue. And here we have to input our lock method. So I think that I'm going to change the encryption method for the pattern. And right now I'm going to draw the simple pattern and draw it one more time to confirm. And we don't want to add the fingerprint at that time. Go for the home screen, lock the device. And right now let's try our new lock method. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.